Let us continue solving problems based on volume of sphere. This question reads like this. A hemispherical bowl of internal diameter 36 centimeters contains a liquid. This liquid is to be filled in cylindrical bottles of radius 3 centimeters and height 6 centimeters. How many bottles are required to empty the bowl? So now what we have to do here is we just have to equate the volume of the hemispherical bowl of internal diameter 36 centimeters to x times bottles, or x times the volume of each bottles. And then we just have to find the x. That is going to give us the number of bottles, because we can find the volume of the hemispherical bowl with this data, and we can also find the volume of each bottle with these data. So now let us start solving the problem. So we have radius of the hemispherical bowl as 18 centimeter. Because the diameter is 36 centimeter, radius is half of the diameter. So we have r as 18 centimeters. So then we have volume of the hemispherical bowl as 2 by 3 pi r cube. So that is nothing but 2 by 3 into, let us keep pi as pi, and r cube would be 18 into 18 into 18, or 18 cube centimeter cube. So now we've got a radius of the cylindrical bottle. Let's use green for the hemispherical bowl, and let us use blue for cylindrical bottle. So we have the radius of the cylindrical bottle as 3 centimeters, and then we have height of the cylindrical bottle as 6 centimeters. Therefore, the volume of the cylindrical bottle will be equal to pi r square h centimeter cube. So this is nothing but pi into 3 square into 6 centimeter cube. Now, let us say that we need x bottles to fill that liquid. So in that case, if you need x bottles to fill the liquid, then the volume of x cylindrical bottles will be equal to pi into 9 into 6 into x centimeter cube. Because one bottle's volume is pi into 9 into 6, so x bottles will be pi into 9 into 6 into x centimeter cube. So clearly, volume of liquid in x bottles is equal to the volume of this hemispherical bowl. So let us equate and find the value of x. So we have pi into 9 into 6 into x equal to 2 pi by 3 into 18 cube. So on solving this, we get x as 2 pi into 18 cube divided by 9 into 6 into 3 into pi. Pi and pi gets cancelled. So on solving the rest, we get x as 72. So hence, 72 bottles are required to empty the bowl, or 72 bottles are required to fill the liquid that was present in the hemispherical bowl of internal diameter 36 centimeters. Now let us solve another problem. The largest sphere is carved out of a cube of a side 7 centimeters. We need to find the volume of the sphere. So this is nothing but the volume of the sphere that is carved out of the cube should be equal to the volume of the cube. So we just have to equate the volumes and therefore find the volume of the sphere. So now here we have the radius of the sphere as r equals 7 by 2 centimeters. Because if this sphere can exactly fit into this cube, the diameter of the largest sphere which can be carved out of a cube of side 7 centimeter is definitely going to be 7 centimeters. Because if you take a two-dimensional representation of a cube like this and then draw the sphere in it, the diameter will be equal to 7 centimeter, and so is the side of the cube. So the radius obviously will be equal to 7 by 2 centimeters. So hence, volume of the sphere is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. So all we need to do is just substitute the values 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into r cube is 7 by 2 whole cube. Now on solving this, we have 179.66 centimeter cube. So therefore, the volume of the sphere that is carved out of a cube of the size 7 centimeters is 179.66 centimeters cube. This ends this video of 2 questions.